ESCs. I put in little ports in the power wires so we can plug in the ESCs to them and leave these old ESCs hooked up because they have the LEDs for the wings or for the arms, and they also have the BEC on them. Here, going back, they all go to this light bar here, so I wanted to leave that intact. I'm just going to put the ESCs inside here. Waiting for a little bit longer wires before I can put it all together. Ordered some wire. It'll be here.